Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! Inside of the DACFAD section, we have DACFAD calculate in cache binary FATA payload. We have three inputs. These are three lookup tables. What goes in, what goes out, special effects, V16 for FATA, V16 for bomb. We're gonna take these names right here. We're gonna rename these because they're fucking long. So these are the names of our lookup tables. And this is the global name of the lookup table, and this is going to be the local name of these lookup tables. L for lookup table, and then special effect to FATA, F16 to FATA, B16 to FATA, V16 for a FATA layer, V16 for a bomb layer. Okay, bomb converted to the type of explosion it emits. That's what this lookup table is for. L, V16 bomb to V16 FATA. We'll remove this error after the code works, okay? RGBA is 4 bytes, a 4-byte seeking amount. V16, no. Modulated tick value, number of bits in our binary tile payload for FATA. V16 values for FATA and bombs. Damage bits and special effects bits within this V16 value. Red, green, blue, and alpha of this guy right here. We're going to split it up into red, green, blue, alpha bytes. We have the component indexes of whatever, bombs, FATA, go down here. Modulated tick value. It's a ticker, game ticker value, but it only takes up 28 bits. Loop through every single FATA value, bit packet into our 32-bit binary tile payload, split that payload into 4 bytes, extract the damage bits and special effects from the current FATA value, and then figure out the official FX for FATA. Low damage in effect 1 is a spark pin, okay? High damage, effect 2 is for lasers. High damage, effect 3 is for jacks and box bombs. If we're at any one of these, we're going to take the current payload, the current FATA payload, we're going to store it into this FX4 lookup table. Okay, down here, we're going to store everything. So here is our F16 lookup table, and just take the current V16 FATA index, multiply by a stride of 4, use the space address, red, green, blue, alpha, right? Down here, loop through every single bomb to FATA, get out the base addresses for the bomb and FATA indexes, copy over the FATA into the correct entry in this lookup table here. And we're out of fucking time. You want a longer explanation? Not here.